everybody, thanks for joining us. We're out here at Ogden Road at the Loutsenhizer Canal. We're talking through the upcoming bridge replacement project, going through the project itself and what residents can expect for the next couple months as this project takes place. So we're standing here. This is the crossing that'll be replaced. It's served its life, pretty worn out, and as anyone's driven over this area, it's really narrow, no pedestrian facilities. If a car were to drive off into the canal, it'd be a pretty bad outcome. So we're putting in a new bridge here that will be widened to the full width of Ogden, to match its eventual widening. So with this, we'll have proper shoulders, railings, pedestrian facilities, sidewalks on both sides to kind of align with the long-term goal of extending sidewalks all the way down Ogden Road eventually. That's a long-term project, but this is an important step towards that. It'll also connect the ones we just put in here in front of the residences at Dry Cedar Creek Apartments. During this project, we'll have some utility work. It'll be a full box culvert replacement, some concrete wing walls, which take a while. It's about a 4-month project. So the road's so narrow that there's no way but taking it out completely, so there's no way to keep a lane open or anything like that. So Ogden Road will be closed. Coming up to it, local traffic will be available, but the main detour will be on Bridges Drive on the eastern end there, over to East Oak Grove Road. And then out here, Kelly Drive will stay open, but your main kind of detour route will be Woodgate Road. That'll be the duration of the project. Once the bridge is in, we'll backfill it up with gravel, reopen Ogden Road to a gravel surface until the hot plants open in the spring when it's warm enough, and then we'll come in and pave the road. We'll do that one lane at a time so we don't have to close it again. And repaving will take a day or two, sometime in March or early April, again, once asphalt's available. We've heard a lot of talk about the Woodgate Roundabout over at East Oak Grove. That's still a go, but we'll be waiting until this project is done. So once Ogden reopens, we'll then close Woodgate and East Oak Grove to work on that project, so there won't be 2 closures at the same time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can Google City of Montrose Engineering, give us a call on our cell, or shoot us an email. Thank you.